Hey. Hey, dude. We're closing up.
Oh, yeah. I was just, waiting for someone.
Who?
Nothing. It was stupid. I'll just... Good night.
Hey, sorry, guys, we're Whoa! You're Nug Nug from Galaxy Wars. What can I get you? Smoothie?
Strawberry splat?
Blueberry bang.
Splat and a bang. Coming up.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. It's so weird.
What?
I have this weird feeling like I'm supposed to hug somebody.
Man, Nugs, you were at that convention for too long. Why don't you go splash some cold water on your face?
Yeah, okay.
Excuse me.
We're closed.
I know, but I forgot to pay you guys for my last smoothie. Here, keep the change.
Thanks.
Thanks.